Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code, P0411, secondary air injection system incorrect flow detected. If you've seen this code pop up on your scanner, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC-P0411 stands for Secondary Air Injection Incorrect Flow Detected. The code is logged once a potential airflow issue is detected in the secondary air system. The P0411 code will cause engine performance problems like rough running and lack of acceleration. Check engine light on, engine hesitation during acceleration. Noisy air injection pump. Poor fuel economy, failed emissions test. OBD2 scanner, multimeter, basic hand tools, replacement parts. To save more money on car expenses, purchase engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. The air injection pump will be placed at the front of the engine with a serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the air injection pump's pump pipe and the connector for any damages. Use a multimeter to test the air injection pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe near the catalytic converter. Locate the sensor that responds to slow as it ages. Visually check the oxygen sensors, electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After completing the repairs, use the OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's it. You successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0411 trouble code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching.